DUI before, no live trace. Tick, no or yes to. Criminal record. Many, in their youth, have made mistakes such as DUI, assault causing bodily harm, drug possession, threats, property damage, battery, or driving under the influence. Often, these resulted in fines and community service, not jail time. When applying for Canadian immigration, if your police certificate shows no live trace and your counsel or lawyer advises answering no to question 4B on Schedule A, IMM 5669, you should know what happened to the next. IRCC ask you to make a subject access request from ACRO, the UK's Criminal Records Office. ACRO provides critical information on an applicant's criminal history, aiding Canadian authorities in immigration decisions. Who is ACRO? ACRO refers to the ACRO Criminal Records Office. This is a UK-based organisation that provides a range of criminal record information services to individuals and organisations, including police forces, in the UK and across the world. For individuals applying for immigration to Canada, an ACRO police certificate is often required to provide a declaration of their criminal record status. This certificate is a document that details an individual's criminal record in the UK and is used by the Canadian government, among other countries, to assess the criminal history of potential immigrants or visa applicants. ACRO plays a critical role in the immigration process for those who have resided in the UK, as Canadian immigration authorities require comprehensive criminal record checks. The information provided by an ACRO police certificate helps Canadian authorities make informed decisions regarding the admissibility of applicants, based on their criminal history or lack thereof. Subject Access Report reveals a detailed list of criminal records. Procedural Fairness Letter. If you've failed to disclose any criminal history, you will receive a Procedural Fairness Letter. This is your chance to explain and address potential misrepresentation and inadmissibility. Remedies. To address inadmissibility, consider applying for a criminal rehabilitation certificate or exploring other options like an application for humanitarian and compassionate H&C relief. Understanding no live trace. A police certificate from the UK stating no live trace indicates that the individual has no current criminal records visible in the Police National Computer, PNC, at the time the check was conducted. In other words, it means that as of the date of the certificate, there are no criminal convictions or cautions that are currently recorded or live against the individual's name in the PNC database. However, it's important to note that no live trace does not necessarily mean the individual has never had any criminal convictions. In the UK, some convictions, especially minor ones, can be considered spent after a certain period under the Rehabilitation of Offenders Act. Once a conviction is spent, it is not usually disclosed in standard police checks and may not appear as a live record on the PNC, even though it exists in the individual's criminal history. This is a key aspect that can lead to misunderstandings, especially in immigration contexts, where full disclosure of all past convictions, including spent ones, is often required. No live trace on a UK police certificate means there are no current records in the Police National Computer. However, it doesn't rule out past convictions, some of which might be spent under UK law but still relevant for immigration purposes. Responding to Procedural Fairness Letter, PFL. A Procedural Fairness Letter is a communication from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, to an applicant, indicating concerns or doubts about the application that could lead to its refusal. It provides an opportunity for the applicant to address these concerns before a final decision is made. The letter outlines specific issues and sets a deadline for the applicant's response. Responding effectively to this letter is crucial for the application's outcome. A Procedural Fairness Letter from IRCC outlines specific application concerns. Responding promptly and effectively is crucial to address any issues and influence the final decision. So, the answer to the question at the beginning is to tick yes. It's crucial to present all the details honestly, including any past incidents, to ensure a straightforward and transparent application process.